Time to clean my stove. That piece is nice. And that's on the wall, but look at this mess. Ooh. Looks like pea soup spilled. Let me... Oops. Okay. Alright. So, I don't know when that happened. And who did it. But, can you see? Yeah. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use this. This is the liquid that I've been reusing to wash my fruits and vegetables. I take 1 tablespoon of the fruit and veggie cleaner and dilute it with half a gallon of water, and I keep it in a jar. So now I use it for other purposes, like at the end I'll just use it to clean the bathroom. So what I'll do is here, I'll just put this liquid here so it soaks through this, and this is so hard. My God, it's pretty bad. But I know this is gonna be an easy task once this stays for a few minutes. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. And it seems like everywhere else the stove is not bad. But it's been a while. You could tell. I was busy. I have other videos. Not spills, I don't know, it was years ago when my little son was using it. So I'll have to lift the other part too. So let me turn it off for a while. Oops.